Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. You'll greatly appreciate it. Without further ado, let's head over to Kali Linux VM to start. The first, we need to log in to bWAPP. Bug. The first is to select the bug, what we are going to do in this video. So yeah, should be this one, insecure login forms. Okay, hack. And we can try to, now we are doing low secret level. So we can try to use B and the bug to log in. It doesn't work. And we can use admin and admin to log in. And we can try to use a login bypass technique. It didn't work either. So as usual, we need to check its source code by right-clicking mouse, and we can get the source code of this page. If you scroll down, and we are coming to, the form itself, form, action, or the target page, which the form will be submitted to, and the method is post. Here we find something interesting. So the label, Tony stock. Just now, however, we didn't notice this information, right? Why? Because its color is white, so it's hidden. And of course, if we want to display it out, we can use this. We can Control and A, and then you can see the, the login credentials, username and password. Okay, so we can take two ways, but normally we will not do this, right? Control A, the content of the page. So this is something developer left sometime, and the developer suppose normal user will not notice this information, and this is easier for them to remember, right? But just said, this is insecure login form, and we can copy and password. Yes. Login, it does work. Okay, very easy. So now let me escalate secret level to medium and set. So as here we are given username already, and however we are asked to provide passphrase like a bug unlock. It didn't work, still locked. And we can try to use login bypass technique. Didn't work either, and we need to check its source code as usual. So here you can see at the top, the file is different from the low secret level. Okay, but the point is now there's some JavaScript code. Okay, so unlock secret. The name itself is very obvious. And define the variable bWAPP, which is a string. And then, below this variable, so many variables are defined below. And different variable corresponds to different position in this string or in this variable, and then can construct such a script. So afterwards, we'll do the comparison. So the key to be authenticated successfully, we need to get the value of a secret. So how to do? One way, or the dumb way, is to construct it manually, one by one. But I think we can take another approach which is more effective. We can copy these lines and then go back to the the home page and open up developer 2, and at the bottom we can navigate to console. This is a very normal and useful technique when we deal with web application. We can paste in here, and then we can run secret, and then we can get its value. We can copy and unlock. It works. Sweet. So then we can switch without a stop. Let me escalate secret level to high. Set. So now we can try to input something like admin to log in. It doesn't work. Admin login bypass technique, right? Login, it didn't work either. So next we can check its source code. Unlike medium secret level, this time we didn't see some JavaScript which is responsible for such login or authentication. So authentication should be done at the server side. And if you want, you can go to bWAPP to check the source code of this application. The application itself is secure. However, if you go back to if you refresh this page, just now we have already seen something, right? But now it disappears. So let me access it one more time. And the high level, yes, remember, a B is a bug. So this is another type of a message left by developer. And actually credentials lie in this hint, okay? And we can try to use B and bug to log in. Successful login. I don't believe this level is so easy as this. But anyway, we have already completed this module or this bug, broken authentication in secure login forms, which have nothing to do with the backend logic or backend source code. Okay? With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.